With a gold contract, maximum uptime is guaranteed. We take care of all the practicalities so you can focus on your business. Enjoy complete coverage and worry-free ownership, with repairs, wear and tear, and a customized service plan included. Our monitoring services allow us to remotely keep an eye on the critical components of your truck, alerting you well before a malfunction can occur, so you avoid unplanned stops and turn them into planned workshop visits instead. A well-serviced truck is more reliable, fuel efficient, and has a higher residual value. And because you know the costs up front, you also enjoy greater operational control. Our certified technicians keep your truck in optimal condition. We have the knowledge, a full range of Volvo tools, and the required diagnostics and database systems to make your workshop visit smooth and efficient. And we always use genuine Volvo parts, which means you can feel confident on the road, knowing that you'll keep your promises to your customers. The gold contract for maximum uptime and complete peace of mind.